Dear students, welcome. After a long period of time, we are going to meet today. Actually, in our classroom, we have discussed pair of straight lines. We have solved almost all problems on pair of straight lines, but in the YouTube, in this channel, we have done only 5 classes on pair of straight lines. From today onwards, we shall discuss the remaining part of the pair of straight lines. Perhaps you remember that an equation, a homogeneous equation of second degree, namely ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. This homogeneous equation of second degree always represents a pair of straight lines passing through the origin. This means that ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. It will give us two straight lines. If one straight line is y is equal to m1x, suppose the other straight line is y is equal to m2x. So that both the straight lines pass through the origin. We have already discussed some problems on a pair of straight lines. The remaining part of the pair of straight lines will have to be discussed from today onwards. Let us take an example. Ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. It represents a pair of straight lines passing through the origin. If we want to find an equation, the combined equation of two straight lines passing through the origin, but these straight lines are perpendicular to the straight lines given by the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. Let us take a problem of such type. If or you may find the equation. Find the equation of pair of straight lines. Find the equation of pair of straight lines which are perpendicular to the straight lines. Find the equation of pair of straight lines which are perpendicular to the straight lines given by the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 and perpendicular to this and passing through the origin. One condition is the two straight lines should be perpendicular to the straight lines given by this equation. Number 1. Number 2, that the straight lines should also pass through the origin. These two conditions. We know that this equation represents a pair of straight lines passing through the origin. Therefore, we may take these equations as y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. Thus, we are going to solve the problem. Let us suppose that the straight lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 Let us suppose that the straight lines represented by this being y equal to m1x, suppose this is number 2, and y equal to m2x. m2x. Suppose this is number. One represents a pair of straight lines passing through the origin. Let these straight lines be 2 and 3. Y is equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. The combined equation of 2 and 3 will be the combined equation of 2 and 3 is y minus m1x into y minus m2x. This is equal to 0. This means y square minus m1 plus m2 xy plus m1 m2 x square. This is equal to 0. Suppose this is number 4. What we have got? One represents a pair of straight lines passing through the origin. These two straight lines is this 2 and 3. The combined equation of 2 and 3 is this. What does it mean? Equation 1 and equation 4 are identical. Obviously, 1 and 4 represent the same pair of straight lines. 1 and 4 represent 1 and 4. Clearly, 1 and 4 represent the same pair of straight lines. Therefore, comparing 1 and 4, we get. Comparing 1 and 4, we get 1 by just you see 1 by b, the coefficient of y square 1 by b. This is equal to minus m1 plus m2. It will be twice h. This is equal to m1 m2 divided by a. Divided by a. This means m1 plus m2 equal to minus twice h by b, and m1 m2 equal to a by b. m1 m2 equal to a by b. Now we have to find the equation of pair of straight lines which are perpendicular to 2 and 3. Which are perpendicular to 2 and 3. Not only that, it also, the straight lines also pass through the origin. Therefore, the equation y equal to mx plus c of the form c will be equal to 0 in this case also. Now, the equation of equations of straight lines. Now the equations of straight lines which are perpendicular to 2 and 3, which are perpendicular to 2 and 3 and passing through the origin and passing through the origin and passing through the origin will be respectively. It is y minus m1x equal to 0, m1y plus x is equal to 0. Suppose this is number 5 and m2y plus x equal to 0, number 6. 5 is perpendicular to the equation 2 and 6 is the perpendicular to the equation 3 and passing through the origin also. The combined equation of 5 and 6 is the combined equation of 5 and 6 is the combined equation of 5 and 6 is y m1y plus x into m2y plus x equal to 0. This means m1 m2 y square plus m1 plus m2 into xy plus x square equal to 0. Plus x square equal to 0. Now, this means m1 m2 equal to a by b y square, m1 plus m2 minus twice h by b into xy plus x square equal to 0. Here you may write, since m1 plus m2 equal to minus twice h by b, m1 m2 equal to a by b. m1 m2 equal to a by b. This means a y square minus twice h xy plus b x square equal to 0. B x square equal to 0. Or b x square minus twice h xy plus a y square equal to 0. Which is the required equation? Which is the required equation? Which are perpendicular to the straight lines given by 1. You may write 1. Given by 1 means ax square plus twice h xy plus by square equal to 0. Given by 1 and passing through the origin. Which is the required equation? Which are perpendicular to the straight lines given by 1 and passing through the origin. What we have got, just notice the given equation is ax square plus twice h xy plus by square equal to 0. And finally we have got bx square ay square means coefficients of x square and y square are interchanged. The coefficients of x square and y square have been interchanged. Number 1. Number 2, originally it was plus twice h xy. We have got in the equation which are perpendicular to the straight lines represented by 1 minus twice h xy. What does it mean? To find an equation which are perpendicular to the straight lines represented by the equations ax square plus twice h xy plus by square equal to 0. You will have to interchange the coefficients of x square and y square, number 1. Number 2, you have to change the sign of the term involving xy, or you have to change the sign of the coefficients of xy. What we have got is rule To find an equation of pair of straight lines passing through the origin passing through the origin and perpendicular to the straight lines represented by the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0, represented by the equation perpendicular to the straight lines represented by the equation. We have to replace, we have to interchange the coefficients of x square and y square. Coefficients of x square and y square. We have to interchange the coefficients of in the transform equation. In this, you will have to put b for the coefficient of x square, b, and the coefficient of x square or coefficient of y square should be replaced by the coefficient of x square in the original equation. Just you replace the coefficients of x square and y square simply. A and b interchange A and b. Not only that, this also x square y square, and to change the sign of the coefficient of x square. If in the given equation the term involving xy is positive, then you may put here is negative. If it was originally negative, just put this here. For example, the equation of straight line, the equation of pair of straight lines, the equation of pair of straight lines passing through the origin, which are perpendicular to the straight lines, given by the equation suppose this is 3x square minus 8xy plus 5y square is equal to 0, which are perpendicular to the straight lines given by the equation, will be what? Just interchange the coefficients of x square and y square. 5x square and thrice y square you will have to put. 5x square plus thrice y square you will have to put this. Not only that, the original equation it was minus 8xy, you will have to put it as plus 8xy. 5x square plus 8xy plus thrice y square equal to 0. Perhaps you work for it. Now, suppose today's example number. So that if one of the straight lines given by the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square is equal to 0. If one of the straight lines given by the equation coincide with one of the equation or one of the straight lines given by the equation a dash x square plus twice a dash xy plus b dash y square equal to 0. If one of the straight lines given by the equation b coincides with one of the straight lines given by the equation b, then a b dash minus a dash b whole square, this is equal to 4 times of h a dash minus h dash a into h dash b minus h b dash. You will have to prove this one. You have to prove this one. If one of the straight lines given by the equation b coincides with one of the straight lines given by the equation b, you see, we are using the word coincides. We are using the word coincides, not parallel, because you see, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. The two straight lines, all the straight lines passes through the origin. This represents two straight lines which pass through the origin. If it is also represents a pair of straight lines passing through the origin. If these two straight lines are parallel, but passing through the origin, therefore the two straight lines coincide. Therefore we have to use the word coincide with one of the straight lines given by the equation this. Then we have to prove this one. According to the given question, you see, the two straight lines represents a pair of straight lines, which will be of the form y is equal to m1x, y is equal to m2x, or y is equal to m3x, y is equal to m4x, like this. Now it is also given that one straight lines coincide. This means that one straight line passing through the origin is common for both the two straight lines. Therefore, we will use this one. Let y equal to mx be the common straight line. Be the common straight line for both the equations. For both the pair of straight lines. For both the pair of straight lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Suppose this is number 1, and a dash x square plus twice h dash xy plus b dash y square is equal to 0. Suppose this is number 2. This is a straight line, this is a pair of straight lines, this represents a pair of straight lines, this also represents a pair of straight lines. And passing through the origin, of course. Y is equal to mx common for both the straight lines, pair of straight lines 1 and 2. This means that y is equal to mx is a straight line represented by 1. Therefore, put y equal to mx here. Now, y equal to mx is a straight line given by the is a straight line given by the equation. Therefore ax square plus twice hh, for y you have to write mx plus b mx whole square equal to 0. Mx whole square equal to 0. This means that bm square plus twice h m plus a equal to 0. bm square plus twice h m plus a equal to 0. Suppose this is number 3. This is number 3. We have to prove this one. Therefore, we will not remove this. Similarly, from 2 we get. Similarly, from 2 we get a dash x square. Similarly we get b dash m square plus twice h dash m plus a dash equal to 0. Suppose this is number 2. Suppose this is number 2. This is number 2. Now from 3 and 4, solve from 3 and 4. Now from 3 and 4. And we get. What we get? M square divided by h a dash minus h a dash minus h dash a equal to twice m divided by a b dash minus a b dash minus a dash b. This is equal to 1 divided by b h dash minus b dash h. b h dash minus b dash h. This means m square equal to h a dash minus h dash a by b h dash minus b dash h twice m equal to a b dash minus h dash b b h dash minus b dash h. We get this. This means 4m square equal to a b dash minus a dash b whole square divided by b h dash minus b dash h squaring. Now for m square you put this h a dash minus h dash a divided by b h dash minus b dash h. This is equal to a b dash minus a dash b whole square b h dash minus b dash h. b h dash minus b dash h. Just I am giving you the sums to write down. Okay. Now this term and this term, this is whole square also. A 4m square, this is whole square. It should be whole square. Because 4m square means this whole square divided by this whole square. Now this term and this term will be cancelled. One term will be cancelled. You write this term and this two will be cancelled. This means a b dash minus a dash b whole square. This is equal to 4 times h a dash minus h dash a h a dash minus h dash a into b h dash or h dash b minus h b dash root. That's we have put this. Perhaps you understand this. Let us take another example. Let us take another example. Basic example number 3. If true that if one of the equation, if one of the straight lines given by the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0, by square equal to 0, be perpendicular to one of the equation, one of the straight line given by the equation a dash x square plus twice h dash xy plus b dash y square equal to 0. B dash y square equal to 0. So that if one of the straight lines given by equation 1 be perpendicular by the equation this, be perpendicular to one of the straight lines given by the equation this, then what we will have to prove? A dash minus b dash whole square plus 4 times so h a dash plus h dash b into h b dash plus h dash e equal to 0. You will have to prove this one this time. This time you will have to prove this one. If one of the straight lines given by the equation is be perpendicular to one of the straight lines given by the equation a dash x square plus twice h dash xy plus b dash, then you will have to prove this one. Now, clearly, let y equal to mx or mx, you can write mx, belongs to the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 belongs to the equation this, and its perpendicular equation is, what is its perpendicular equation? And y equal to minus 1 by mx belongs to the equation a dash x square plus twice h dash xy plus b dash y square, this is equal to 0. Y square equal to 0. Y equal to mx belongs to the equation this, and y equal to minus 1 by mx belongs to the equation this. Therefore, we get therefore 1 implies. From 1 you will get ax square plus twice hx into mx plus b mx whole square, this is equal to 0. Equal to 0, or you may write here, this means bm square plus twice hm plus a equal to 0. This is number 3. From 1 you will get this. 2 implies from 2 you will get. From 1, from 2 you will get a dash x square plus twice hx b dash twice h dash b dash minus 1 by m x whole square equal to 0. Or you may write here x square will be cancelled, a dash m square minus twice h dash m plus b dash equal to 0. You will get this. Get this. We will have to prove this one. Thus I am writing again here what we are going to prove. We are going. Now from 3 and 4 we get. From 3 and 4 we get m square divided by this into this h b dash minus, originally minus h dash into a, it will be plus h dash a equal to twice m divided by this into this a dash minus b dash equal to 1 divided by b into h dash minus h dash b minus h dash b again minus h minus h a dash. You will get this one. You will get this one. This means m square equal to minus, it will be minus h dash b minus h a dash minus h b dash plus h dash a h dash b plus h a dash and twice m equal to a dash minus b dash divided by minus h dash b plus h a dash. This means 4m square a dash whole square divided by, if you square it, the minus sign will be removed, h dash b plus h a dash whole square. This means this 4m square means 4 into minus means minus 1, you will write here minus 1 h b dash plus h dash a divided by h dash b plus h a dash equal to a dash minus b dash whole square divided by h dash b plus h a dash whole square. You may write here this bracket like this one into this one, also this one into this one. Right. Now you see one term will be cancelled from this one. This means, I am writing here, this means a dash minus b dash whole square equal to minus 4 h b dash plus h dash a into h dash b plus h a dash. This means a dash minus b dash whole square plus 4 times of h a dash, you will write here h a dash plus h dash b into h b dash plus h dash is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Good. Just I am giving you to write down this one. Right. Write down. Perhaps you have written it. Now let us take another. Let us take another. Today's problem number 2. If one straight line represented by one of the straight lines, you may write one of the straight lines represented by ax plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. One of the straight lines represented by this coincides with one of the straight lines represented by a dash x square plus twice h dash xy plus b dash y square equal to 0. B dash y square equal to 0. And the other straight lines represented by them be perpendicular, then show that h a dash b dash divided by b dash minus a dash equal to h dash ab divided by b minus a dash equal to half of root over minus a dash b dash minus a dash b dash. You see, it represents, the first equation represents a pair of straight lines. It represents two straight lines. Suppose one straight line is y equal to m1x and the other is y equal to m2x. Also, it also represents a pair of straight lines. According to the given condition, one straight line of the second one coincides with one straight line represented by the equation number 1, and the other two straight lines are perpendicular to each other. What does it mean? If the other straight line represented by the first equation is y equal to m2x, suppose, then it is perpendicular. The perpendicular straight line represented by y equal to m2x will be y equal to minus 1 by m2x. Therefore, if y equal to m1x, y equal to m2x be the straight lines represented by the first one, the straight lines represented by the second one will be definitely y is equal to m1x and y is equal to minus 1 by m2x, or you may write y equal to m2x and the second one is y is equal to minus 1 by m1x. You may write like this. You may write like this. Now, solution. The solution is this. Let the straight lines represented by by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. Let the straight lines represented by this be y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. Y is equal to m2x represented by this. Therefore, what is the combined equation of this? Y minus m1x into y minus m2x equal to 0. If you compare the coefficients of x square, y square, xy, then you will get m1 plus m2 equal to minus twice h by b and m1, m2 equal to a by b. Therefore, m1 plus m2 equal to m1 plus m2 equal to minus twice h by b. Suppose this is number 2 and m1, m2 equal to a by b. Suppose this is number 3. From equation number 1, we have got these two results. m1 plus m2 equal to minus twice h by b, m1, m2 equal to a by b. Where y is equal to m1x and y equal to m2x are the equations of the straight lines passing through the origin represented by the equation number 1. Represented by the equation number 1. Represented by the equation. Let the equations of the straight lines. Now, let the equations of the straight lines. Straight lines represented by a dash x square plus twice h dash xy plus b dash y square equal to 0. B y equal to m1x. One straight line coincides with the one and y equal to minus 1 by m2x. Minus 1 by m2x. This will be proved. This will be proved h a dash b dash by b dash minus a dash. Therefore, m1 plus minus 1 by m2 equal to minus twice h by b dash. This means you will get m1 minus 1 by m2 equal to minus twice h dash by b dash. Suppose this is number 4. This is number 4. And m1 into minus 1 by m2 equal to a dash by b dash. Suppose this is number 2. Now we have to find the values of m1, m2 in terms of a dash, b dash, h dash, like this. Now from 3 and 4, from 3 and 4 you will get 3 and not 4, 3 and 5. 3 and 4. It will be m1, m2 into m1 minus 1 by m2. This is equal to a by b into a dash by b dash. A dash by b dash. There. I am writing m1 plus m2 is equal to minus twice h by b. Twice h by b, it is number 2. m1 into m2 equal to a by b, it is number 3. This means minus m1 square equal to a dash by b dash. A dash by b dash. This means m1 square equal to minus A dash by B dash. B dash. Now, this means M1 square equal to minus A dash B dash B dash whole square. This means M1 equal to minus root over minus A dash B dash by B dash. Suppose this is number 6. M1 equal to minus root over minus A dash B dash by B dash. Just put the bracket. Now, from 3 implies, from 3, M1, M2 equal to A by B. From 3, M1, M2 equal to A by B. M1 means root over minus A dash B dash divided by B dash into M2. This is equal to A by B. A by B. This B will be cancelled. This means M2 equal to A B dash divided by root over minus A dash B dash. You will get this one. This means M2 equal to A B dash root over minus A dash B dash minus A dash B dash. You may write like this. Now A will be cancelled, B dash will be cancelled. This means M2 equal to minus root over minus A dash B dash divided by A dash B divided by A dash B. I am writing again. It is suppose number 7. It is number 7. What does it mean? What we have got? M1 equal to minus A dash B dash under root divided by B dash. This is number 6. This is number 6. And M2 equal to minus of minus A dash B dash divided by A dash B. It is number 7. It is number 7. We have found the values of M1 and M2. Now, M1 and M2 in terms of A dash B dash. Now, from 2, substitute these values of M1 and M2 from 6 and 7 into. Now, substituting the values of M1 and M2. M1 and M2. I am not removing this two. I am not removing this two. Substituting the values of M1 and M2 from 6 and 7 into we get M1 plus M2. M1 means root over minus A dash B dash divided by B dash. M2 plus M2 means it will be minus definitely because this is minus. Root over minus A dash B dash divided by A dash B equal to minus twice H by B. This is equal to minus twice H by B. This means now this BB will be cancelled. This means root over minus A dash B dash into 1 by B dash minus 1 by A dash equal to minus twice H. This is equal to minus twice h. Or you may write root of r minus a dash b dash into a dash b dash. For a dash minus b dash, we are not going to write a dash minus b dash. Instead of writing a dash minus b dash, I am going to write b dash minus a dash. B dash minus a dash, and at the same time the minus, I remove the minus sign. Yeah. This means h a dash b dash by b dash minus a dash equal to h a dash b dash by b dash minus a dash is equal to 1 by 2 times of root of r minus a dash b dash. Suppose this is number 8. Suppose this is number 8. This is number 8. Now, substitute the values in number 4. Now, substituting the values of M1 and M2 from 6 and 7 in number 4 we get. Now, substituting. The values of M1 and M2 from 6 and 7 in this equation. This equation is 4. In 4 we get. Substituting these values in 4 we get M1 minus 1 by M2. What is M1? This is equal to this. Minus a dash b dash divided by b dash minus, it will be plus, definitely it will be plus, and 1 by m2 means it will be a dash b divided by root of r minus a dash b dash will be equal to a dash minus twice h by b dash is dash by b dash, right? It is minus, and the value of m2 is also minus this, therefore it will be plus. This means root of r minus a dash b dash divided by b dash plus, you may write here a dash b into root of r minus a dash b dash divided by minus a dash b dash equal to minus twice h by b dash. Twice is dash by b dash. Twice is dash by b dash. This means, you see here, a dash b, a dash and b, a dash and b can be cancelled. Also, this b dash can also be cancelled. This means root of r minus a dash b dash, take this common, a dash b dash common, you will get here 1 by b, and it will be minus 1 by a, 1 by b equal to minus twice h dash, or root of r minus a dash b dash 1 by a minus 1 by b. This is equal to twice h dash, or root of r minus a dash b dash, it will be ab into b minus a. This is equal to twice h dash, twice h dash. This means is dash AB is dash A into B divided by B minus A equal to 1 by 2 root over minus A dash B B dash. Suppose this is number 9. From 8 and 9 we get, from 8 and 9 we get H, from 8 and 9 we get H A dash B dash by B dash minus A dash. This is equal to H dash AB by B minus A. This is equal to 1 by 2 into root over minus A dash B B dash. H A dash B dash by B dash minus A dash. H dash AB by B minus A equal to this. Just we have proved this one. Perhaps you understand everything. Just write down. Perhaps you have written everything. Let me read this one. We have already discussed about the bisectors of a pair of straight lines. The bisectors about a pair of straight lines in the in previous classes in routine pursuit. Now you see the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. It is y equal to 0, x is equal to 0. X-axis and y-axis. It is a bisector, suppose. This is a bisector. If this line is a bisector of this coordinate axis, it will be 45 degree, it will be 45 degree. Because it is bisector. It will be pi by 4, it will be pi by 4. And the straight line will be equal to y equal to x. This straight line will be equal to y equal to x. Also, if you draw a straight line in this way, this is pi by 4, this is pi by 4. What is the equation of this straight line? Y is equal to minus x. Y is equal to minus x. It will be y equal to minus x. Now our question is this. The homogeneous equation of second degree ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. The homogeneous equation of second degree. It represents a pair of straight lines passing through the origin. If these straight lines, if one of the straight lines represented by this equation is a bisector of the coordinate axis, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, is a bisector of the coordinate. Then what is the relation between the coefficients of x square, y square and xy? Means what should be the relation between a, b and h? We are going to discuss about this question. Now, if the straight line, if one of the straight lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. If one of the straight lines represented by this be a bisector of the coordinate axis, then prove that a plus b whole square equal to 4h square. Then prove that a plus b whole square equal to 4h square. Now, the bisectors solution. The bisectors of the coordinate axis x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. The bisectors of the coordinate axis x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0 are either y equal to x or y equal to minus x. Coordinate axes are either y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. Now, if y equal to x be one equation of the straight lines, represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0, then we get ax square plus twice x into x plus b into x square equal to 0. This means a plus twice h plus b equal to 0. This means a plus b equal to minus twice h. This means a plus b whole square equal to minus twice h whole square. This means a plus b whole square equal to 4h square. A plus b whole square equal to 4h square. Suppose that y is equal to minus h be one of the equation of the straight line, one of the straight lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. Then a into x square plus twice x into minus x plus b into minus x whole square equal to 0. Then you will get this. This means x square will be cancelled. A minus twice h plus b equal to 0. This means a plus b equal to twice h. This means a plus b whole square equal to 4 twice h whole square. This means a plus b whole square equal to 4h square. This is the condition. In both the cases, if ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0, it represents two straight lines passing through the origin. If one straight line is a bisector of the coordinate axis, then we must have a plus b whole square equal to 4h square. Dear students, I want to stop here. Thanks for attending the class. Thank you. We shall meet again in the next class. Thank you very much. Thank you.